Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about why I started taking Beta Alanine again. There you go, right here. I just got the Beta Alanine, and this is from NutriCost. I got it off of Amazon for $15. Of course, I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Now, a little bit ago, I put out a video talking about what supplements I'm going to be taking right now, and it was whey protein, creatine monohydrate, and Beta Alanine. Now here's the thing, I used to take Beta Alanine like 15-20 years ago. All right, that's how long it's been, and I actually liked it. Right, I really felt the benefits of taking this supplement. Okay, now I stopped taking it for whatever reason years ago, and then a few years ago I tried to start taking it again, and then I stopped after like a couple days. Now why did I stop after a couple days? Well, because Beta Alanine is known, so when you start taking it, you get this tingly feeling. All right, and depending on how your body is and how you react to it, the tingles could be everywhere, right? I mean, it could be behind your ears, it could be on your neck, it could be your balls, it could be underneath your arms, you name it, you can get that tingly sensation. Now, one thing that I noticed when I took it years ago is that if you take this supplement for like a week or two, like after a while, when you take it, you won't notice the tingly feeling. Like if it's there, like I said, you don't feel it, right? So you just kind of get through the first week or two of taking this consistently, and it should go away after a while, right? But when I tried to jump back on this a couple years ago, I forgot how annoying that tingly feeling was. So I was like, nah, I'm cool. I don't even feel like dealing with this, right? But I'm back on it because Beta Alanine is legit. All right, I mean, it really does work, because I remember it when I took it like 15-20 years ago, when I would work out, and it took me about maybe 2 to 4 weeks for me to really start feeling the effects of Beta Alanine. But I just noticed, like when I was on the treadmill, I just felt like, yo, I could keep going, right? And that's what the supplement, that's what they claim it can do. They say it helps you work out longer, and it helps you fight off fatigue. And I definitely noticed that when I take Beta Alanine, like you just feel different, right? At least for me, this is my damn experience. All right, I've been taking it for about a week now, and I'm getting them damn tingles, and they're annoying, but I kind of like it in a way, because I'm getting it with my ears, right? And usually, like, I'm working out, I gotta take my headphones off and like rub my ears and shit, and just be like, and I kind of like it. But I'm dealing with that, so I think I probably got maybe another week of taking it like this, and after a while, I won't have that feeling. But with Beta Alanine, this is the 300 gram container, so this is like a 100-day supply right here. Like I said, it's $15 on Amazon right now. Who knows with inflation, and it might be, who knows, but I paid $15 for it. You get this little scooper thing with it. So you can see the little scooper cup. Now you're only supposed to take daily dose for this is 3 grams. So all you need is 3 grams a day. Now one thing I will say, let me keep it real with you, I forgot, like, this shit nasty. Now this is unflavored, right? But the taste is just, I don't remember it tasting like that. It just, right? Because I take this with creatine, right? And I just take creatine, I put the scoop of 5 grams of creatine, boom, and then I literally take a scoop of this, boom, and then I take my water, mix it all together, and let me tell you something, it is nasty as hell. It's just with the creatine powder mixed with it's just terrible. But I just swoosh it up, swallow it, drink some more water, and I'm ready for my workout. All right, if you think about Beta Alanine and you're like, well, do it work, is it legit? I say it is, and it's for men and women, so you women watching this, you could take it too. I'm trying to stick with this, and like I said, I already been taking it a week, so I'm planning on just sticking with it. Hopefully the tingles will go away after the next week. I might do an update, whatever, but I'm pretty sure they will. But like I said, this is definitely like a dope supplement to add to whatever you take in. It's been shown to be safe. I wouldn't take no more than 3 to 5 grams of this per day. I wouldn't take no more than that. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking for a supplement to add to help you give you a little extra boost in your workouts, I would recommend some Beta Alanine. I recently joined Nexus Rewards, which gives me cash back every time I shop on or offline. That means I get cash back every time I buy supplements. It also allows me to build a recurring monthly income. You want to join? All you got to do is click the link in the description.